Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Your complete guide to clutch master and slave cylinder replacement. Ever found yourself stuck with a failing clutch system? Knowing how to tackle a clutch master cylinder and slave cylinder replacement could save you time and money, not to mention the hassle of unexpected vehicle downtime. This quick guide is here to simplify the process, ensuring you can get back on the road as swiftly as possible. We'll walk through why these components are critical, signs they're failing, and step-by-step instructions on how to replace them efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, understanding the intricacies of these vital parts will enhance your automotive skills and confidence. Understanding the clutch system. In the world of automobiles, the clutch system plays a crucial role in ensuring a smooth and efficient driving experience. Understanding how the clutch system functions can provide valuable insight into the inner workings of a vehicle. Function of the clutch master cylinder. The clutch master cylinder is a vital component of the clutch system in a vehicle. It is responsible for transmitting the pressure applied to the clutch pedal by the driver to the clutch slave cylinder. When the clutch pedal is depressed, the master cylinder forces hydraulic fluid into the slave cylinder, disengaging the clutch and allowing for seamless gear shifts. Essentially, the clutch master cylinder acts as the control center for the entire clutch assembly, enabling the driver to change gears with precision and ease. Role of the clutch slave cylinder. Complementing the function of the master cylinder, the clutch slave cylinder plays a pivotal role in the clutch system. Situated near the transmission, the slave cylinder receives hydraulic fluid from the master cylinder upon the depression of the clutch pedal. This hydraulic pressure activates the release bearing, which in turn disengages the clutch plate from the engine's flywheel. As a result, the clutch slave cylinder facilitates the smooth engagement and disengagement of the clutch, enabling seamless transitions between gears while driving. Understanding the interplay between the clutch master cylinder and the clutch slave cylinder is fundamental to grasping the mechanics of the clutch system in a vehicle. These components work in harmony to ensure optimal performance and responsiveness, enhancing the overall driving experience for motorists. Signs of a failing clutch master cylinder or slave cylinder. Here's how to spot trouble brewing in your clutch system. Symptoms of a worn clutch master cylinder. Soft or spongy clutch pedal. If your clutch pedal feels soft, spongy, or mushy when you press it, it could indicate a failing clutch master cylinder. Low clutch fluid. Keep an eye on your clutch fluid level. A decreasing level could signal a leak in the master cylinder. Difficulty shifting gears. Trouble shifting gears, especially when experiencing grinding or resistance, could be a sign of a failing clutch master cylinder. Clutch pedal sticking. If your clutch pedal sticks to the floor or doesn't return smoothly after pressing, the master cylinder might fail. Unusual noises. Squealing, squeaking, or grinding noises when you press the clutch pedal may indicate issues with the master cylinder. Indications of a faulty clutch slave cylinder. Leaking clutch fluid. Look for signs of leaking clutch fluid near the transmission or under the vehicle, which could point toward a faulty slave cylinder. Inconsistent clutch engagement. If you notice that the clutch engages inconsistently or feels loose, the slave cylinder may be failing. Visible damage. Check the slave cylinder for any visible signs of damage, such as cracks or leaks, which could be indicative of a problem. Dragging clutch. A clutch that drags or doesn't disengage completely when you release the pedal could be a result of a faulty slave cylinder. Loss of hydraulic pressure. A sudden loss of hydraulic pressure in the clutch system could signal a failing slave cylinder. Understanding these symptoms can help you diagnose issues with your clutch system early on, allowing for timely repairs and preventing further damage. Watch out for these signs to ensure smooth clutch operation and avoid potential breakdowns on the road. Diagnosing clutch cylinder issues. When your car's clutch isn't performing as it should, the culprit could be the clutch master cylinder or slave cylinder. Diagnosing issues with these vital components is crucial to ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly. Here's how you can accurately pinpoint problems with the clutch cylinders. Testing the clutch master cylinder. To test the clutch master cylinder, you first need to locate it. Typically, the clutch master cylinder is found near the driver's side firewall, close to the brake master cylinder. Start by checking the fluid level in the reservoir. Low fluid levels could indicate a leak or worn seals. Next, press the clutch pedal while someone watches the slave cylinder actuate. If there's no movement or the pedal feels spongy, there may be air in the system or a failing master cylinder. Inspecting the clutch slave cylinder. Inspecting the clutch slave cylinder is essential for determining its condition. The slave cylinder is usually mounted on the transmission housing. Look for signs of leakage around the cylinder or on the ground under the transmission. Check the piston rod for any wear or damage. Additionally, have someone depress the clutch pedal while you observe the slave cylinder piston's movement. Any irregularities could indicate a faulty slave cylinder that needs replacement. By following these diagnostic steps for the clutch master cylinder and slave cylinder, you can identify issues early on and prevent further damage to your vehicle's clutch system. Regular maintenance and prompt repairs are key to keeping your clutch in optimal condition for smooth gear changes and a seamless driving experience. That concludes part 1 of our complete guide to clutch master and slave cylinder replacement. We hope you've gained valuable insights into these essential components of your vehicle's transmission system. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll take you through the practical steps to get your clutch system back in top shape. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.